downspout splash blocks cracked or missing. That can seriously mess with your home's drainage and lead to some gnarly water damage around your foundation. So first off, you want to check your downspouts regularly to make sure the splash blocks are still in place and not all cracked up. If they're looking rough or gone, grab some new ones or even make your own with concrete or heavy-duty plastic. When you install them, make sure they direct water at least 3 to 4 feet away from your house so it doesn't pool near the foundation. Also, keep an eye on the ground around the splash block. If it's eroding or getting muddy, you might need to add gravel or mulch to help absorb the water. Don't forget to clean out your gutters and downspouts so water flows freely onto the splash blocks without overflow. If you notice water still pooling after replacing splash blocks, check if your gutters are pitched right and that the downspouts are the correct length. Remember, a little maintenance can save you from big repair bills later on, and hey, if you're not into DIY, calling a pro to install or replace splash blocks is totally worth it. One of the biggest issues with downspout splash blocks is ignoring them until there's visible damage like cracks or water pooling near your basement. Fix that by doing regular checks at least twice a year, especially after heavy storms. Another common problem is using splash blocks that are too small or made from flimsy materials that break down fast. Go for durable options like thick plastic or concrete. Lastly, people often forget to ensure the splash block directs water far enough away from the house. If it only splashes right next to your foundation, you're still risking damage. The fix? Position them so water flows well beyond your home's base and add extensions if needed. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people needing their services, making life easier for everyone involved.